Are you looking for something that can help you to grow your hair fast and to increase hair thickness? Well, this hair growth treatment I'm showing you right now will help to fasten hair growth as well as stopping hair loss and hair thinning. So if you're interested, grab a seat, let's proceed. Now, to prepare this kind of treatment, we will be needing a couple of ingredients, starting off with our first ingredient, which is one fresh aloe vera leaf. So I'm going to cut it into two pieces. I'm going to use just one piece and the rest I'm going to keep to use another day. So I'm going to cut the thorns or remove the sides with thorns. My aloe vera is already clean. I had soaked it in water for that minute. It is important to always soak your aloe vera in water for that minute or rinse thoroughly to get rid of latex, which can be irritating to the skin. So now I'm cutting it into small pieces. Aloe vera is amazing for providing hair with elasticity and softness, as well as helping to detangle your hair. So if you encounter or you experience a lot of hair dryness, then you need to start including aloe vera. You can buy aloe vera from any of your local market or Amazon if you don't find it in any of your local market. The next ingredient we will be needing is onions. I'll be using two medium-sized onions. Onions are amazing source of sulfur. I have been using onions and I can say that onions are really great for increasing hair thickness. If you suffer from excessive hair loss, you have bald spots, and you experience a lot of hair breakage, then you need to start including onions to your hair care routine because they are high in sulfur, which helps to prevent hair loss and increase hair thickness. So I'm going to cut the onions into small pieces, and then when I'm done cutting them, I'm going to transfer them to a pot with the aloe vera. I also used the onion peels. I did not throw them away. Onion peels are also great for hair, so do not dispose them. The next ingredient we will be needing to make this treatment is hibiscus. So this is how hibiscus looks like. If you've never tried them or come across them, these are just dried hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus helps to prevent hair loss, to stop hair thinning and chronic hair loss and baldness in both men and women. So if you've never tried out hibiscus, you need to include them to your hair care routine and start incorporating them in either hair growth sprays or oil form because it will help to stop all the hair problems you have. I have been using hibiscus and most of the time I incorporate it in my hair growth treatment. So right now I'm gonna add some hibiscus to the other ingredient. I'm just going to use a few flowers. You don't need to use a lot because just a few of them are enough because they are rich in color. We will also be needing cloves to the recipe. So if you've never used cloves before, you need to start including it to your hair care routine. Clove helps to increase hair thickness, treat baldness, alopecia, hair thinning, and flake scalp as well as dandruff. So if you experience any of these problems I have mentioned, you need to start including cloves to your hair care routine. I have been using cloves since the time I started my hair growth journey, and I can say that this herb is not a joke. It helps to grow hair where you don't have. So if you have issues with hair thinning, you have receding hairline, you have bald spots, then including cloves to your hair care routine is going to bring a significant change to your hair in terms of hair thickness and general health of your hair. So right now I'm going to transfer it to the pot with the ingredients. So I'm just going to to use a few of the cloves. So use cloves the right way. If you use too much, it's gonna bring issues like hair dryness, and if your hair dries out, it's gonna break. So just use a few of it, especially if you are a beginner. So now I'm adding 2 cups of water. I'm gonna cover and transfer the ingredients to a stove, and I'll allow them to simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes. So guys, I hope you are still watching this video up to this point and you are enjoying it. And if so, give it a thumbs up, share it to your loved ones, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. If you are new here, turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So I'm going to remove it from heat and allow it to cool down. As you can see, I allowed it to cool down and this is how it's looking like. Next, I'm going to be straining out the liquid or the treatment because that's what we are interested in. Just use anything to strain out. I'm using a strainer. Just use anything that is available for you to strain out. Once strained out, this is how the treatment is looking like. Just look how amazing it is looking. So next I'm going to be transferring it to this applicator bottle or spray bottle so I can go ahead and apply on my hair very fast. If you don't have any applicator bottle, make sure to buy one so that the application process can be easy for you. To begin with the application, I like to always take down my twist each at a time. So I'm starting applying it on my scalp first before I go to the hair strands. Once I apply, I always like to use my fingers to supply it and to distribute it to each single strand. So if you experience a lot of breakage when using detangling tools, then you should consider using fingers when detangling your hair. This method has really helped me and it has saved my hair. I don't experience a lot of breakage, unnecessary breakage once I use my fingers to finger detangle. So there are 2 different ways I like to use this spray. One, I like to use it as a leave-in treatment. Like today, I will be using it as a leave-in. I won't rinse it out once I apply. One thing I like to do after I apply it as a leave-in is to follow up with a moisturizer. Always apply your favorite moisturizer. Do not skip this step because it is important. Leave-in sprays can be drying because they are just water. So just follow up with your favorite leave-in cream and then lock that moisture with hair butter or oil of your choice. The second way you can use this is as a rinse out. So I like to use this as a rinse out after I shampoo and condition my hair. Once I wash my hair, then I go in with this treatment. I pour it all over my hair and then I take time to massage it on my scalp. Once I'm done, I go ahead and use a leave-in cream and then follow up with hair butter in order to lock that moisture. So using these 2 methods, your hair is going to grow like crazy. Just use any that you feel is okay for you or any that you like. So using this treatment to help to increase hair thickness and to stop all the hair problems I mentioned earlier. So once I'm done applying this, I'm not going to be using a leave-in cream here, but I will do it off the camera once I squeeze out the excess drippings. So using this 2 to 3 times a week, your hair is going to grow like crazy. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Bye.